Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all doing okay. So if you saw a couple of videos ago, I did like the Shein haul and the Madam Glam haul. A little bit of what I had brought from Madam Glam and a few little bits that they had sent me. So these are the bits that they sent in the first package. It was? Yes, it was. So I had to think of something really quickly because my mind's been a blank. So I did get some stickers out. I'm not sure if I show you in the video. I'll try and put a picture up now. But I was just going to do like a simple set with some stickers using the gel paints and stuff that they'd sent. But when I looked at the stickers, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to draw them, paint them myself because I wanted them to be a bit more vibrant and different sizes, and yeah, I just wanted to have a crack at doing it myself. So obviously you can tell by the thumbnail, but yeah, look, sorry, this is one coat of the Madam Glam Perfect White, and I'm mind blown every time I use it, to be honest. It is, I always say it is the perfect white, it really is. But yeah, the stickers are cactuses. So I've done one coat of Perfect White. If I was doing this on somebody else or on some press-ons or on myself, it would have two coats, just so that you've got that added layer of, like, it adds an extra bit of strength and stuff to it. So yes, do two coats if you're doing it to yourself or someone else or press-ons. So I've got the green gel paint and I'm using the detail liner from Madam Glam. Again, code's in the top left if you want to save 30%, if you are non-VIP, that is, because you already get 50%, don't you? Yeah, I love being a VIP. I don't even know that it comes out of the bank. And then when I want to buy something, a little treat, I've already got the credits there waiting. So I love it. But sometimes not everyone can commit to the money coming out of their account every month, or don't want to commit to it for different reasons. And sometimes we can only treat ourselves like once every 6 months or something. So you can use that code if you want to. So enough waffling. We've got the green gel paint and the detail liner from Madam Glam, and we are going to draw some cactuses. I've never ever drawn a cactus on a nail before. I've drawn cactuses. I've never done them on a nail before. And I had these cactus stickers. I reckon I brought them about this time last year in the view of doing some cactus nails with those stickers. But they've just gone back in the drawer. So maybe I'll use them one day. So I've just drawn a quick base of a few different shapes of cactuses, referencing some of the shapes that are on the sticker sheet, and then I kind of just made up my own with some other ones. And then I've got this brush is from Shein, however you want to say it. And then I got some cuticle nippers, and I followed. I'm going to say her name wrong. Katerina Ketty. She's on YouTube. She's freaking fantastic. But she showed you how to make a brush really, really thin. So I followed her steps. I'll try and leave the link to the video down below. And it's my favourite brush ever now. It was just a standard like £1 brush before, and it's incredible now. I love it. So I've mixed a little bit of the green gel paint with the black gel paint. Oh yeah, I added the spikes. I forgot to say I added spikes. But we just did a little bit like a shading. So one coat of white, then I did the cactus, cured, spikes, cured, shading, cured, and then the pink gel paint on the detail liner. Again, I think it might be the ultra liner. It's the ultra liner, isn't it? Just create some just lines so that it looks, but they all come together at a point, as if you're drawing like half a daisy sort of thing. So they all meet at the same point. And I've just done a few in pink and a few in yellow. And then I cure them as well, and I mix a little bit of the yellow with a bit of black and a little bit of the pink with a little bit of black, and I add a few little touches like highlights and stuff in that. Now this, I didn't have to use the topper. I wanted to, but I was really, really unsure whether it was going to ruin the whole design, and I thought, well, once it's cured, there's no going back, and I really don't fancy redoing it all again. But look, I love it so much. I just love cactuses and like succulents and all that, so I loved these. So I did another one, a little tiny bit different. But when I put the topper on, I kind of like spread the brush out a little bit over the top of the cactuses so that not as much glitter went over the actual cactuses. It kind of just went around in the white spaces. And then I grabbed an application brush, and we're doing the thinnest coat. Honestly, drag that product as much as you can. So I cure that. The gel paints take 60 seconds to cure, and the normal gel polishes take 30 seconds. With the highly pigmented ones like the reds, the blacks, the whites, some like deep dark greens and blues, I give them 60 seconds as well, just in case. They're so highly pigmented. They're so rich in colour. I just want to make sure that there's not going to be any wrinkling. But the gel paints always take 60 seconds. And I ended up doing 2 coats of that. And then I went in with that gorgeous topper again because I love it. I don't know whether I said, I feel like I did, but in the haul video I was like, I've had this topper actually in my basket for quite some time. And when I go to place an order, I'm like, no, I don't need it. So I'll just take it out. And then I put it back in a couple of days after I've made a purchase. And I'm like, no, I don't need it. Again, next time. I do need it. I love it. I'm so happy that I've got it. So thank you so much, Madam Glam. I really appreciate it. So for this one, this is the middle nail. Gone in with white, again, perfect white. And I really didn't know what to do. So just whack something on there. So I grabbed the ombre brush, and I've just got the tiniest bit of gel paint on the brush, and I've tried to like wipe off as much as I can before I put it on the nail. And I'm just doing some random brush strokes because I didn't know what to do. It was kind of make it up as you go along on the fly sort of nail art. And this Sunday's video is exactly the same, so you're welcome. But sometimes I feel like those are some of the best nail designs when you just go with the flow. It doesn't happen all the time. You can be sitting there at your desk for absolutely ages going, I don't know what to do. And that happens far too often. So I was quite happy with how these turned out in the end. So I didn't cure in between I added each brush stroke either, by the way. So I didn't really mind that the yellow and the green blended a little bit, or the pink blended a little bit. Didn't mind that at all. So now to tie that in and make it like the accent nail, kind of like the main focus of the whole set, we're going to paint on a giant cactus. So a bit like a few of the tiny ones, but we're going to add so many different like arms, or what are they called? You know when like a cactus grows and then it grows an extra bit and then an extra bit somewhere else? Is that called something? I'm not sure, but it grows extra arms anyway. So we're going to add little bits of everything onto it, give it all a cure, and then we'll add some little spikes and some more flowers, and then I'll catch up with you in a moment. Ta-da! So we're all done and I absolutely love them. This is something I would definitely wear. I'm not really, I am a green girl. I am, because like I said, my nail room's racing car green, my curtains are green. I've just brought a load of green tops actually as well, and some green dresses. Oh, I am a really green girl. I don't know how I've never realised that I love the colour green. How bizarre. Yeah, so there's something new for you to know about me. Something new I learned about myself too. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to hit subscribe. We've reached 1,000. Oh my god, I can't believe I completely skipped past that. We reached 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's incredible. Very overwhelmed. Yeah, thanks so much for all your support, and there will be a giveaway very soon. See you in the next one. Bye.